Hello friends, welcome back to Cook and Explore with SP. How are you all? Today I'm going to show you the very tasty and everybody's favorite snacks mirchi bhaji and the cut mirchi bhaji and the very tasty bhaji mirchi curry and also warm bhaji. So watch the video till the end so that you also know the tricks to make these recipes. The ingredients for the bhaji mirchi are 12 bhaji mirchis and 300 grams of chickpea flour, besan flour and salt to taste, half teaspoon of karam seeds, ajwain seeds, 2 pinches of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and we need half teaspoon of karam seeds and salt powder. I take karam seeds and add salt and make into powder, and 2 tablespoons of peanuts, and for stuffing 1 big onion finely chopped and few coriander leaves, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and half teaspoon of garam masala and quarter teaspoon of salt, and we need oil for deep fry. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the besan flour. You add salt as per your taste. Now take these karam seeds into your hand and smash them and put. Now add the turmeric powder to give nice color to our bhajis. Now add 2 pinches of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything. Now slowly add water little by little and make into a thick paste. Make sure there are no lumps. See guys, this should be the batter consistency. Finally check the salt. If anything needed you can adjust. Now keep this aside. Take these bhaji mirchis. Put a long slit as shown. Take out the seeds from inside. Repeat the same process to all of our chillis. In a small cup, take 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, besan flour. Add half teaspoon of ajwain and salt powder. Mix nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to this. Mix well. Now stuff this mixture into the mirchis as shown. Meanwhile, heat up the oil for deep fry. Once the oil heat up, put the flame on medium. Now dip these mirchis into this batter, coat nicely and carefully drop into the oil as shown and cook them until nice color come to our bhajis on medium flame only. Then only our chilli also will cook from inside. Carefully turn them. Cook evenly on both sides. That's all guys. Now take them onto a plate. This should be the perfect color to our bhajis. See guys, our bhajis are ready. For the warm bhajis, I am using the same batter and I take few ajwain leaves from my plants. Wash them nicely. Now dip this leaf into this batter as shown and put bhajis in the same way. Deep fry them on medium flame only, same like mirchi bhajis. Now take them onto a plate. In the same oil, fry these peanuts also. That's all guys, the very tasty warm bhajis are ready. Now let's make the stuffing for the mirchi bhaji. In the onions, add salt, garam masala and the chaat masala and the chilli powder and the coriander. Mix everything. Now squeeze in half lemon. Make sure there are no seeds. Mix until well combined. Now take the bhaji and cut in the center as shown. See guys, the chilli also perfectly cooked ready. Now stuff this onion mixture into this bhaji as shown. Now put some fried peanuts also as shown. That's all guys, the very tasty onion stuffed mirchi bhajis are ready. Now let's go make the cut mirchi bhaji. Take 4 bhajis, cut into 1-inch pieces as shown. Now deep fry them in the same hot oil until they become crispy on high flame. Keep stirring so that they will cook evenly. It takes 2 minutes nearly. Now take them onto a plate. You can hear the crispy sound. See guys, in the remaining onion mixture, put these cut mirchi bhajis. Mix until well combined. Now squeeze in some lemon juice and mix again. Finally add some fried peanuts. That's all guys, the very tasty cut mirchi bhaji mixture is ready. It tastes much more better than the mirchi bhajis guys. The taste is excellent. Now let's go make the bhaji curry with the remaining 4 bhajis. The ingredients for the bhaji curry are 4 bhajis, 1 cup of finely chopped onions, half cup of tomato pieces, 5 dry chilies and half teaspoon of peppercorn, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. You can also use coconut pieces. And 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder and few curry leaves and half lemon sized tamarind, 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 garlic cloves crushed and few coriander leaves chopped. I will give all the ingredients list in the description below. Take a pan, let it heat up. Now put 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat up. Now put the peanuts. Fry them on medium flame for 30 seconds. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now add the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds and the sesame seeds. Mix them and roast for 10 seconds. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now add the red chilies and the peppercorn and roast them for 10 more seconds. Now add the grated coconut and fry for another 20 seconds. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now turn off the flame. Let it cool down. Now take this into a mixer jar. Add the tamarind. Make sure there are no seeds. Now add half glass of water and grind this into a fine paste. like this. Now in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. Now put the crushed garlic cloves and fry them for 10 seconds. Now add the curry leaves. Now add the onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt so that our onions will become soft easily. Now add the turmeric powder. Give a stir. Cook on medium flame until the onion slightly turns to golden brown color. Now add the tomatoes. Give a stir and cover the lid and cook until the tomatoes become soft. Meanwhile, cut the bhajis into 1-inch pieces like this. See guys, the tomatoes become soft ready. Now add this paste. Now put half glass of water into this mixer jar and mix well. And add this to the curry. Add half glass of water again. Give a stir and cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. See guys, after 2 minutes of cooking, it looks like this. Now give a stir. Now add another half glass of water. Give a stir. If you want more gravy, you can add some more water. Now check the salt. If anything needed, you can adjust. I need some more salt, so I am adding half teaspoon of salt again. Now add half teaspoon of chilli powder. Give a stir. Since we already added dry chilies and peppercorns, so you add chilli powder as per your taste. Now add these bhaji pieces. Give a stir. Cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, finally sprinkle the chopped coriander and cover the lid and then off the flame. That's all guys, the very tasty bhaji curry is ready. You can enjoy this bhaji curry along with the rice. I make this bhaji curry for the first time guys. You believe it or not, it tastes so good. My whole family enjoyed it. Hope you guys like these recipes. If you like them, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.